All right, so let's continue with the create of the user. So after the create and then the register function, we have the show, and this one takes the ID of the user. So if you send in an ID, this function, when you pass an ID to this function of a user, I go to the database, look for that user, and then I show the user to you. If I don't find the user, I throw an exception here that the user is unavailable. Now on line 58, I have get all function, and this what it does is that it doesn't need any ID. It only need a database connection. It goes to the database and then fetch all users who doesn't have role. So it simply means that when you don't have a role, you are just a mere user. You are not an admin. I think I'll write one for an admin for an admin also with role. All right, so I have a destroy function here, and this destroy function takes an int, goes to the database and find the user. If it doesn't find the user, it throws an exception. If you find the user, it delete the user and then return the user object to you. And then I have another one called update. So this is actually what updates a user. So assuming you have a user info in the database, you want to update it. All I need is a user ID and then the show user identity class object. So the name, the email, the request location, anything you want to update. And that's the commit. After replacing that, that's the commit. And that's the refresh, and then return the user to the UI. I think the rest of the function I will come back to explain them later.